Welcome back, guys. So in today's video I am going to do a video about how you can defeat Brainiac Raid 6 Phase 1. So all you need is the Joker. You need a League of Anarchy team. So you only need two. You need Ivy and the Joker. And last, you need the Flash. The Flash, you do not need to max out his base. The only reason why I put him there, either you want to get knocked out to beat it much faster, but you don't have to get the Flash knocked out. But you do need to have the Flash. The reason why, because he gives you the one extra fast attack chance, which is +1, which is better than nothing. So awesome, right? I guess not, but it's for me it's awesome. But maybe for me kind of awesome, but nah. So anyway, we gotta take care of the minions, knock them out soon as possible, so fast as all literally you need to do is tag an Ivy and Joker. That's pretty much it. If you want to do more damage, definitely tag the Flash in so he could get knocked out, but you don't have to do that. So if I do it pretty much fast, I'm literally gonna beat him really fast. But for now, just tag in Joker, use special one, and then hit it, tag him in. Once he uses one of his special one, special, and he's special, just tag him in, use his special 2, and again for the Joker, use his special 2 all the time. So all the time, hit it and hit it again, tag out, pretty much tag in, tag out. So once he uses some specials, you see Brainiac on this special, tag him in. And again, people, if you're going to do it this way, and again, once he uses special on the Joker, pretty much is over. So that little happened to me, I think twice, but it does take practice. So that's what happened to me twice. I think over twice or 4 times, I'm not sure. I literally let my guard down, and this Brainiac just automatically knocked him out. So you need to be very careful when you use the tactic. As you see, his health almost got knocked out. So pretty much game over, to be honest. So, oh shoot. So just be very careful, to be honest. And again, this is for phase 1, not phase 3. So phase 3 is actually good, to be honest. Look at the damage he been doing within phase 3. And again, this is how you can beat phase 1 really fast. So if you have any question, don't forget to comment below, and I am going to show you the stat for this character. So he got knocked out, as you see. Just don't use this team on phase 2, please don't use it. So, and again, if you have any question, don't forget to let me know. So not bad, but as you see, it's pretty awesome, but not really. But hey, at least we beat phase 1, which is awesome. So anyway, folks, I am going to show you the stat for all the character. And again, if you want to build the Joker, build him as attacker, not defense. So when I say attacker, therefore max out critical attack chance, damage, critical attack damage, max it out, and fast attack chance. Those are the 3 things you need. Everything else attack. So I have like a lot of shards for this character, to be honest. No. So as you see, that's the stats. Next up, Ivy. And again, she's a defense, maxed out everything below. As you see, she's a defense, so critical attack chance is not a lot. In the Flash, like I said, I'm using him just because of his passive. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like the one you just